Hi, my name's Alex. I'm a BMW genius at Fields BMW, Northfield, Illinois, and today I'm going to teach you how to use your gesture control. Gesture control has a few different gestures that you can use, so we will be going over those today. First gesture is to turn up and down the radio. First, select your radio station that you'd like to listen to, and then point directly at the screen. Rotate for up, and rotate left for down. You can also have a customizable gesture, which is going to be the two-finger gesture. I have it set right now, I believe, to change the radio station, so I'm going to turn up my radio. And I'm going to change the radio station.
Wherever you listen to podcasts.
Schedule your free LASIK exam.
To answer a phone call, you're going to point at the screen to answer and swipe to decline. There's also one other gesture that you can use if you have the 360-degree camera. I can actually rotate the car around. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, go to fieldsbmwnorthfield.com and don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.